All right. Welcome to another edition of Trade Recap. Welcome, everybody. So, gonna be another quick video here today. The theme of this video is exactly the same as the theme of the last video, which is the one word. It starts with an F. And no, it's not what you're thinking. It's focus, right? Focus. The F word that's important is focus. You know, sometimes what happens as traders is there's just not much out there to do. There's not much volume. There's not much movement. There's, just not a lot of excitement. And on those days, it's really important to not get carried away and maintain your focus, right? Not being able to push the button, just sitting back, waiting for the perfect opportunity. And today was something similar like that. So today, the market wasn't that exciting this pre-market. Usually on a good day, we'll have like 10 stocks that we'll be watching. And today was one of those days where I just didn't like anything. I mean, I was ready to go back to bed. I didn't like a whole lot. But then I scanned, I was looking at stocks from previous days that were on my list, seeing if there are any carryovers there. And so, I managed to build a list this morning. I was only watching 5 stocks. So check this out. Pre-market, I posted my watch list. And look at that, only 5 stocks I'm watching, right? Out of the 5 stocks today, 3 of them never really set up, never gave us an entry pattern, so we never traded them. 2 of them gave us an opportunity to enter it, and we played them. So that's how the day is, 5 stocks I was watching, 3 of them I let them go, 2 of them I traded, both of them I made money, and let's recap. So there was one stock, this one I actually traded twice, which is the Baba. I traded this twice, and as you can see here, I even posted this on my Twitter and StockTwits. So if you're following me on Twitter and StockTwits, I post my stuff there too. If you're in the trading room, obviously I post everything in the trading room. The only difference between the StockTwits and Twitter and following me in the trading room is that in the trading room, I post these trades before I actually get in myself, right? So it's posted in the room before I'm actually getting in myself. It's posted with what my stop loss is. It's posted with what my target is. If I'm doing anything with the trade, like getting early or getting out early or raising my stops or anything, I'll let people know in the room. Whereas on StockTwits, I don't post every single trade, and sometimes I will not post at all about a trade on StockTwits, right? But most of the times I try and, let people know kind of like what I'm looking to do online where too. So you can check me out on StockTwits Twitter, but as far as the room call, here's how Baba played out. So I took 2 trades on this one today. First trade, I actually lost money. I started the day down with Baba today. I lost $1,000 this morning on Baba, and this was the setup right here. So I saw this in the morning. I really liked the daily chart of the stock. It was clearing this resistance area like that. It was also clearing resistance like this. Had a nice strong momentum move this morning, right? A little pullback. Held support right here, held the support, and then so I basically called this along in the room right here, a stop loss right there, and the very next bar it goes up. We're in the trade, we're triggered in long, and the very next bar, this thing, bam, red bar. I just stopped out. So I lost $1,000 on this trade, but I didn't just sit back and cry. And this is the differentiating factor between professional traders and those who are novices or fully haven't grasped trading yet. Because for me, when this trade stopped out, I didn't think, oh man, Baba stopped out, what a dirty stock, what a horrible trade, or man, I just can't trade anymore, or I'm just gonna re-enter it right here, I'm gonna revenge trade. None of that. I was like, okay, I got stopped out, I'll watch it again. And even though I got stopped out, I kept watching it. I was watching it, and boom, it came right back up, right? It came right back up. So it stopped us out, right? And came right back up. So instead of whining about being stopped out here, I said, you know what? This thing just looks great. Looks like I just got shaken out. The market makers got the best of me today. But you know what? I'm going to re-enter it. So I re-entered it long when it got above here, put my stop loss right there, and then look at this. So I got back in and boom, and look at the Baba, and that's it. So the second trade I made $2,000. I got my money back and some. To first trade right here, boom, it took it out, stopped out, minus $1,000, came back in, got back in it, stop loss same place as well, and then now it goes up. And then the second trade I made 2,000. Overall net result ended up 1,000, right? So that was the Baba trade, and this is the importance of re-entries. And I'm glad many people in the trading room got this trade. A lot of people made money on Baba today. And also that just the day, just before today, I mean, just yesterday actually, and the day before too, I was talking about re-entering to the room. So I'm glad that today we had an example of that. Hey, if you get stopped out, don't worry about being stopped out. Try and get back in if the trade starts looking good again. So in this case, it took us out, took out the low of the day, but then it came right back up again. It proved itself, started to look good again. Let's re-enter it, right? And then re-entry, we got paid. So that's the difference there. Now, I took another trade today, Disney. This was also on my watch list this morning. Chart is quite oversold, gaps up above, this resistance area. In the morning, we see it try to go higher, pulls right back down, and just like Baba, this thing too comes right back up. So when it comes back up like this, that's where I called it long in the room here, called it long above there, right, and put my stop loss right under here. And then, you can see the move Disney had after we entered, right? Again, right here was the entry, right here was the stop loss, and then look at the move in Disney. So this was another nice little trade. Didn't quite make what I wanted to make on this trade. I could have made a lot more, but still ended up being a pretty good trade on this one. So that's all I did today, right? That's it. So you see the importance of focus now. Like a lot of day traders I see just keep trading all day. They're trading pre-market, they're trading when the market's open, they're trading in the afternoon, they're trading the close, they're trading post-market. And then when you ask them, hey, how much did you make this month? They have nothing to show for it, right? They're break even. They might be profitable, but after commission, everything else, they're not really taking home anything. And the reason why is because of a lack of focus. You need to have focus. Right? I mean, I know it's hard to be patient sometimes. Some days there are just no trades, but you gotta build that habit of just sitting back, waiting for those opportunities. You see them, you get them, you take your money, and then you get out. And that's what we've been doing, is just sitting back, waiting for these opportunities. Or there's the Baba, let's take our money, we're out. Let's get into Disney, take our money, we're out. So really picking your spots, and that's the key, because trading in September, October is not as it's not as easy as other months, because it's a month where a lot of people take vacation. There's lack of volume in the markets, so you got to really be focused. Okay, so hope that helps. Come check us out at the Live Traders Trading Room. And oh yeah, I mean, and even Jared had good trades today. So right now in this video recap, I only reviewed my trades. Jared actually shorted WDC this morning, and boy, look at the call. Look at that drop on WDC here morning. I think he called it short right here, and bam, it just dropped straight down. So great call on the WDC as well. And overall, a pretty good day. Slow day, but nice day. Anything profitable is always good. So take care, guys. I will see you in the trading room. And also we have a scholarship application now on the website. So if you're looking to join the team, you want to learn, but you want to see if you're able to get a little discount or something, or if you can get scholarship, then go over to the website, apply for the scholarship. At random, we pick a few people every day to give scholarship to, and you might be lucky. You might get a full scholarship, you might get a partial scholarship. So definitely apply on the website. Just head on over to livetraders.com, and right at the top, where all the buttons are, you'll see a button for scholarship. So click that, enter that, and I'll see you on the other side. Take care.